Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of furniture restoration with a focus on the Nadamoo Wood Furniture Repair Kit. If you're looking for the best wood filler for veneer repair, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take a closer look at this kit, its features, and how it can help you restore your wooden furniture to its former glory. But before we jump into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Let's kick things off by giving you an overview of the Nadamoo Wood Furniture Repair Kit. This kit is a game changer for anyone who wants to repair scratches, chips, cracks, and other imperfections in their wooden furniture, including veneer surfaces. What sets it apart is the range of options it provides. With 12 different colors, you can easily find the perfect match for your wood finish. Now, let's talk about the features that make this kit stand out from the rest. The Nadamoo kit includes 12 wood fillers and 1 brush, ensuring you have everything you need for your repair projects. What really sets this kit apart is the wide range of colors it offers, including white, ivory, cedar, red oak, mahogany, and more. You can even mix colors to match your furniture precisely. The application process is a breeze. Simply squeeze the repair filler onto the damaged area and use the provided scraper or brush for a smooth finish. It's suitable for various wooden surfaces, including floors, tables, cabinets, doors, and veneers. The kit can tackle a variety of damages, from scratches and dents to pet marks and scuffs. You won't need a professional to make your furniture look new again. Wondering how to use the Nadamoo Wood Furniture Repair Kit effectively? It's pretty straightforward. Start by cleaning the damaged area thoroughly. Squeeze a small amount of wood filler onto the damaged spot. Smooth it out with the provided scraper, removing any excess filler. Wait for it to dry. The kit also includes a brush for detailed touch-ups. Now, let's see what real users have to say about this product. It has received a rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars on Amazon, with over 2,500 reviews. Users have praised its ease of use, value for money, and the ability to restore wooden furniture to its former glory. In conclusion, the Nadamoo Wood Furniture Repair Kit is a versatile and cost-effective solution for anyone looking to repair and restore wooden furniture, especially veneer surfaces. With its wide range of colors and straightforward application process, it's a must-have for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners. That wraps up our review of the Nadamoo Wood Furniture Repair Kit. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow DIY enthusiasts. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.